everybody, welcome to Kimono Kardio. If I'm wearing a kimono, you have no excuse for not doing your exercise. This can be your morning wake-up routine. 皆さん、キモノカリオようこそ。一緒に踊りましょうね。私は着物着てるけど、あなたは洋服でどうぞ。一緒に踊りましょうね。So this is Batajite. We're taking a walk. And we see a butterfly. Chocho. Oh, and we see a turtle. Kame. And a boy. And a girl. And we wave. 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 Batajite. Sasu. Point. Sasu. Point. Boy. Onna. And wave. Kimono Kardio. This is routine Aegy. No excuses. If I can do the kimono, you can do what you're wearing. Whether it be a suit or a dress. We can move every single day. Good way to start your day. Walk, walk, walk. And butterfly. Chocho. Turtle. Kame. Otoko. Onna. And wave. Kimono Kardio. Let's dance every single day. And point, 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 point. Yay! You guys are great. Jozu, 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 Jozu.